Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Applecare Plus coverage right now. Open Settings, tap your name, and select your AirPods Pro. Once confirmed, note the serial and take a clear photo of the damage or the missing earbud. This speeds approval. Make sure you have the original purchase info and a credit card for the service fee. Apple charges a fixed fee depending on the damage. From here, proceed to the repair request. Don't delay because claim windows and replacements depend on coverage status. Open the Apple Support app or visit Support. Apple. Calm and choose your AirPods Pro, then select Repair or Replace. Once done, pick the reason that matches your case, physical damage, missing earbud, or battery issue, and attach the photos and serial you prepared. Make sure to select whether you want mail-in service or an in-person appointment. Scheduling now locks your slot and clarifies estimated turnaround. Keep a screenshot of the confirmation. It contains the claim number you'll need for pickup or follow-up. When you receive instructions, follow shipping or drop-off steps exactly. Backup pairing info and unpair if asked, then package the case securely or attend the appointment with ID. Once accepted, pay the Applecare Plus fee and monitor the tracking number or repair portal for ETA. If Apple declines the claim, escalate. Request a supervisor, resubmit clearer photos, and reattach proof of purchase and serial. This often resolves misclassifications. Make sure to note deadlines for resubmission to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.